In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can zoom in a video using Canva. And as a demonstration, I'm going to use this video from the Canva stock library that shows a group of people in a park. And let's say I want to zoom into this specific person, this woman that is standing and maybe trying to pose. And I'm going to zoom in exactly around that area. And here's how I'm going to do it. So first, what you need to do is you have to extend the size of the frame. So basically it will only cover the area that is surrounded this woman. So in order to do that, you can click on any of these 4 points that on the video, 1, 2, 3, 4. You can click on any of that, and you can actually zoom out a little bit, zoom out the Canva interface, so you will have more area to work with. And after that, you can click and drag that point. You can do this on whatever point that you find it the best. And we want to make sure that that area that you zoom in will visible in the frame. And when you're done, you can go back. You can go back to the previous interface zoom, and this is the result. So just a comparison, this was the original video, and now the actual video is much more closer. You can see that woman is right there, and you know, this versus this, it looks so different. So that's one benefit of using the zoom in feature. You can get close to the subject that you want to show. But of course, one thing to keep in mind here is that you are going to get much lower quality because the zoom in will introduce pixelation in the video, so you don't want to zoom in too much. And also, I think if you don't want to accidentally change the zoom level, you might want to clean this excess. You want to crop it so it's exactly on the size of the frame, and there you go. And also you can just lock the video so you won't accidentally delete that, change the position of the video. So anyway, that's how you can zoom in a video using Canva.